amazing.
Yes,
Doesn't
it does.
Yeah. The excitement's been a bit much for you, JP, hasn't it?
It has, but this is just amazing.
Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to day
11
of our tour with TruTravels. Hi, we're Jack and Lindsay, and we've been travelling through Vietnam with TruTravels on their 17-day Explorer tour.
In our last video, we bid farewell to the lantern town of Hoi An and headed to Hue An via the Hai Van Pass, one of the greatest coastal roads in the world.
We took the Hai Van Pass in our open-top jeeps all the way to the destination which we will be exploring in today's video, Hue An. Good morning.
Morning.
We've just got up early. So we're packed. We're only in this hotel for one night. We're checking out this morning. We're going for a walk around Hue.
Yeah, I don't know how to say it. It's like Hoi An, it's like Hue.
Yeah,
But I can't find how to spell it anywhere.
H-U-E. Hue. We're going to go for a little walk around the town. We're only here for the day. We're leaving again tonight to the next destination. So we're going to walk around the town. We're going to go on a cooking class. So join us.
So, we're at the Vietnamese Imperial City. It's cost us, I think, 200,000 to get in, which is what, about £2?
Yeah.
Not much. Just before we got in though, the group of kids on a school trip came up to Lindsey and Toya and Kelly and Ollie and started asking if they could answer some questions for them in English, and their English was really good. Lindsey's little lad was a little bit shy, but he did really, really well. He got through it.
Is it this one?
So now, we're taking a look around the Imperial City. There's a dragon dance outside. There's ladies wearing traditional outfits. It looks gorgeous. And this is all over there.
Be over here. Woo.
Imperial City of Hue An is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Inside you will find palaces that once homed the imperial family, as well as shrines, gardens and villas. These villas would often be home to guards, concubines and mandarins, and we were fortunate enough to be taken around the Imperial City by an extremely knowledgeable and friendly tour guide. She explained in great detail the history about the palace and the kings that lived there.
So we've just been to the Temple of Tombs, just a little bit before we get into this. There's a little centre where you go on like a virtual reality experience. That was really, really fun. I don't do too well with that sort of thing though, but Lindsey actually really enjoyed it. I felt a little bit poorly because like the goggles were moving, but I wasn't. It made me feel a bit ill, but really, really interesting. And then we've come to the Temple of Tombs. So basically, there's all the grave markers, all the tombstones, or the headstones of all the ancient kings are in there. We're not allowed to record inside out of respect and still honouring the kings. And our tour guide, who is fantastic, she's absolutely brilliant. She's told us some information about every single one of the kings, dating back to one of the first ones to the king that was here when the French colonised Vietnam. Really, really interesting. But like I said, can't record in there, so there's no footage from inside that. But if you come to the Imperial City, definitely go in there and check that out. That's really cool.
We've learned a lot of interesting things. Now we're walking towards the boats and we're going to catch a boat and go across to our cooking class. You excited?
So excited.
It's fairly busy roads here, but not too scary crossing the roads really. We're just going over the bridge that we went under last night for the sunset. And it's really, really nice. But hopefully not much longer and we'll be back on another boat, ready for the next part.
We are on a little island with a little family by the look of it, and they're going to teach us how to cook some traditional Vietnamese food. That's what we're going to do.
See everyone's aprons. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, we've had like a little station each.
Oh. Really like that,
Cooking oil and 1 spoon of brown sugar.
Concentration. This was Inside Out Cooking School, which was located on an island in Hue. This meant that we had another private boat all to ourselves. First on the menu was caramelised pork.
The pork is in the pan. Okay. Right. All good?
She said okay.
How's it going, ladies?
We're doing really well.
Yeah. Yes, it does. Smells so good.
Next up, we use these gorgeous fresh ingredients to attempt our very own spring rolls.
Spring rolls.
Spring rolls. What are you about to do?
I'm about to mash the stuff that goes inside our spring onions. Spring onions, spring rolls.
Cheese. It's good? No?
It's good. It's 1 spoon. Right. On the top, like on your side. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh. Close the window.
Okay, windows closed.
That's not bad.
Ooh, this looks good. Our other dishes included fresh salad and a beef stir fry, which were just as much fun to make. What are you making?
I'm making, well, different in England than it is to Asia. What morning glory? Leicester.
So I think we're making the dressing. How's it smell?
So amazing. There's chilies, garlic, lime, sugar, and a little bit of fish sauce in there.
We also learned a couple of new skills, such as turning our carrots into pretty little flowers. Teacher, hold up your flower. How's it looking? That's better than mine. Oh, Tasia, look at yours. Let's see yours, Ollie.
I like that.
Let's see mine. Mixing everything together. Yum.
What are you making?
Chicken stir fry now. So we've made the spring rolls, we've made the salad, and now we're on to the chicken stir fry.
So far we've made a nice beef salad. Made some pretty carrots. Our spring rolls are somewhere. And we're putting a chicken stir fry.
And it smells amazing,
Yes,
doesn't
it does.
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
So excited to try it. It all
Yes.
smells so good.
Hi.
on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was.
With our full bellies, we headed back to the boat and then to our hotel. Here, we would board our bus and set off to Phong Nha. This was supposed to be a 6-hour journey, but we got there with plenty of time to spare. Just enough time for some drinks, karaoke, and a good night's sleep ready for the next day's adventure.
We've just got up early.
No, we have not. That is a lie. Lindsey got up early. I am so tired.
But you did just manage to get up and ready in like 10 minutes.
Of course, look at the state of me. Nobody's going to be watching this video thinking, I'm taking him 10 minutes to do that.
It's loud, isn't it? Back in. Is it this one? How old am I? I'm 31. Bye, thank you! Bye!
Oh, so pretty. So we've just been in the Temple of Tombs. Is it the Temple of Tombs? Can I get it? Oh hell yeah!
This is doing wonders for my carpal tunnel. No, you need to put it down now. So put it down.
Oh sorry.
She's waiting for you to put it
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Is he going to make it? Is he going to fall out? Oh, that looks very low to the ground.
Yeah, get up and
There you go. She'll help you, look. Oh.
So I did, but I fell. I'm just heavy.
Show off. Love it. You've got this.
Oh,
What are you drinking?
lemon juice and sugar.
How scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Fine until Ollie comes over and starts bullying me.
The excitement's been a bit much for you, JP, hasn't it?
It has, but this is just amazing.